Rogers modems broadcast on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Forcing your Rogers Internet to 2.4 GHz, also known as band splitting, is primarily done to support older devices that lack 5 GHz compatibility, such as smart plugs, IoT sensors, or older smartphones from before 2015. To understand why band splitting is needed, let's compare the two frequencies. The 2.4 GHz band offers longer range and better compatibility with older devices, while 5 GHz provides faster speeds but shorter range. To force your Rogers Internet to 2.4 GHz, access your modem's settings via a web browser, usually at 192.168.0.1 or through the Rogers app. You'll need to log in using default credentials like QSadmin and your password. Once logged in, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings section. Here, you can either disable the 5 GHz band entirely or, preferably, create separate SSIDs for each band, such as Rogers 2.4 and Rogers 5. This allows legacy devices to connect exclusively to the 2.4 GHz network, while newer devices use the faster 5 GHz band. Remember that Rogers encourages using dual or tri-band modems for the best overall performance. While forcing 2.4 GHz solves compatibility issues, be aware of the trade-offs. The 2.4 GHz band offers better range but slower speeds up to 300 Mbps and is more prone to interference. For security, ensure your 2.4 GHz network is configured with WPA3 if supported by your modem's firmware, isolating older, less secure devices. Rogers' newer firmware incorporates AI-driven band steering, automatically shifting compatible devices to faster bands while reserving 2.4 GHz for legacy devices. While Rogers continues to support 2.4 GHz, the industry trend is towards phased obsolescence. By 2030, 2.4 GHz is predicted to become legacy only in most consumer routers, with 6 GHz becoming standard. Rogers plans to release tri-band modems by 2026, potentially automating band forcing. Using 2.4 GHz is a short-term solution. Consider upgrading devices to multi-band standards for long-term performance.